Hi, my name is Dan. I'm the owner and skipper of Gossamer Penguin, a 1977 O-Day 22. She's short, she's underpowered, she was never meant for racing, but we race her anyway. We're probably the slowest boat on the Delaware River, but we don't let that get us down. Join me, and C-Bomb, and Voldy, and K-Pop. We're going to do a race tonight. We're going to try not to come in last. Come aboard. So the course tonight is down to 10A by the bridge, up to 18, back here to the club to 14, and then back up to the up to 18, and home to the club. So it's a 5-leg race, about 6.19 miles. I think it was 6.19. I corrected myself last time on the video. And it is ripping. That's why we're inside right now. We're down below because the wind is kind of howling right now. The wind is kind of howling right now. It's slack tide right now, so it'll be a kind of a easy start, but it's gonna start. It's gonna build and build and build. It's gonna be in our face really hard by the last leg, so that's gonna be a little bit tough. That's not the conditions that the Penguin likes. The Penguin likes wind against tide, and tonight the wind is going with the tide. So we're gonna spend a lot of time tacking into this monstrous current. We know a couple of silly tricks to try and get out of that, just local knowledge stuff, and we're gonna try real hard. I don't think Narissa is racing tonight, so we're chasing Daydream again. They do pretty good in heavy air because they are a heavy boat. We're a light boat, but we're gonna put a reef in the main so that we don't get our butts smacked around too much. Let's see how it goes.
Hey guys! Mark. 4 minutes. 1 minute. We're racing, guys! Next Kenny!
That's nice.
Hey guys! Alright, get ready to trim real fast, okay? We gotta bring it up. Alright, here we go. Coming up. The shrouds are with the Penguin does not like that. So we shorten the mainsail by probably about 1.5 foot, and that gives us a little bit more stabilized thought, more of our keel in the water, and that's a good thing, because then, well, the Penguin will point. Kinda. Not really. And because the current's going that way, and the wind's going that way, we're going to try and stick closer to the shore, because there tends to be less current, less water moving on the outsides of the river rather than the deep middle. So we're going to see if that does us good. Here's hoping. Of course, the downside is we could stuff it in the mud. C-Bomb is coming. go. Hang on. Start pulling. Look at the end of the spinnaker pole. It is under the lifeline. Keep. There we go. Now pull. Keep pulling it back. Oh, wait. Keep pulling. Alright, the pole needs to go up. Whoa! You okay? Clear? How about 18? Okay, thank you. Hold on. Okay. There we go, we're trim. I was just saying everything's okay.
Alright, we're rolling.
All right, it is really windy, and we've got the big spinnaker up, and we're dipping the end of the outboard in the water again, and woo! There's a lot of pull, and it's good because hey, Daydream is wing and wing again, so maybe we'll catch them. Who knows? We're probably reeling them in. Can't tell because I can't take my eyes off the sail. Oh my god! All right, give me a little bit more trip. Like 6 inches to start. Good. Hold there. Gotta get it on. All right, now easy on. They're tied off behind. So we're at 14. Our third mark of the race, and we are just about neck and neck with Chaos right now, which is just not supposed to happen. They're usually in like second, third place, and we're usually in last. So, hey, getting around the third mark, right up on Chaos's business. That's a good night for us. Yeah, that's almost done. We're not going to talk about that. Yeah, so the guy on Shadowfax, Glenn, greatest guy. I sailed with him for like a year and a half. They give him the keys to the keg to make sure no one's, drinking before racing. And they're usually done the first, so they get in, they moor up, they go open up the kegs, they're ready to drink for the rest of the night. When they get in.
Finish.
When they finish. Shove it up. Trip. Yeah, that's right.
How do I jam it in?
You just push it in the little jaws
Alright.
to like help them settle in.
Maybe?
Hey guys! We're getting ya! We're trying.
Hello, Internet. We just passed Chaos. I'm really tired because we shook out the reef in the main as well, because the wind has dropped off slightly. Probably.
Maybe.
We'll see.
Who knows?
Who knows? Delaware! Whee! I kind of feel like we just got the spinnaker up, but there's You're right there.
Well, you did a lot of work on this. And remember, it's only a mile.
Right.
It's only a 1 mile leg. We only went around. Whoa! Heads, jive ho. Alright, we got around ahead of chaos. They are screaming on up behind us now. There they are. Good game, huh?
Yeah, you guys are really doing well getting that spinnaker up both times. I don't know if it's still on. Hopefully that camera was away.
Oh no, it was on! Yeah, no, downwind is our game.
I'm wearing a mask. Good night, though.
Yeah, real good night. We're good. It's almost like I know what I'm doing. Almost. We won the Spirit Award. I'm gonna try and do it this way. So, it was a good night. A lot of hard racing. A lot of getting knocked around. Flying the spinnaker was because there was still a lot of wind, especially on that first one, and all the way down to 18. What else? We beat Chaos going downwind 2 times, but just they beat way better than us every time. Against the wind, yeah. So against the wind, against the tide, that is just not our game. That's totally Chaos's game. They still very well to their rating, and even though we got over probably like after them, there's no came up. It was kind of bumpy out there. Yes. Boldy.
Sail on.
Sail on.
As for you, wow, it's really friggin' windy.
It's really windy.
It was a good night.
It was a good night. All right. Everybody, thank you for coming out and sailing with us tonight. There are a whole bunch of places that you can find us. First off, you should like and subscribe for this video. We are on Twitter at Gossamer Penguin. We are on Instagram at SV Gossamer Penguin. We are on Facebook at SV Gossamer Penguin, and we do have a Patreon at SV Gossamer Penguin. You know, every dollar that goes into the Patreon is gonna go right back into the boat for gear and upgrades, and the maybe buy us a faster boat fund, and more recording gear so that we can get you some better footage and make some better videos. So yeah, do all those things, and please come out next week. That's our last race of the season, but we're going to be sailing at the Governor's Cup, the New Jersey Governor's Cup, which is going to be right here at Riverton, New Jersey, as it always is. It's a traditional thing. It's been going on for like 100 bajillion years. This is going to be the first time the Penguin has ever sailed in it. Why are you poking me?
Because I could record at the women's regatta on the 16th.
And on the 16th, C-Bomb is going to be a skipper at the women's regatta, the first ever, possibly annual women's regatta. It's all Flying Scots, and C-Bomb is going to be driving. And that's super cool. So we got things going on, even though it's not going to be regular race season. Please stay tuned. We'll see you again next week.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody.